Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we will discuss the latest hot topic, download and install iOS 17 beta on iPhone. Before we go ahead, you should create a backup of your iPhone data. And here, 3 methods are discussed here to help you get the newest iOS 17 beta version. Method 1, upgrade iPhone to newest iOS 17 with iOS Repair Genius. Head to iSandShare.com on your browser and then go to iOS Repair Genius page. Click download to get the software. Minutes later, install it on your computer. Okay, now ensure iTunes is installed on your computer. Open the software and choose iOS Upgrade Downgrade option. Click Upgrade iOS. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust on the iPhone and enter the screen passcode to trust this computer. Click Next on the software. You can view the iPhone current version here. Then choose the iOS 17 beta version from the firmware version section. Click Download to download the firmware package. Now, click the Start button to upgrade your iPhone iOS. When the software shows upgrade successfully, your iPhone restarts. Congratulations, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.0. You can continue to finish the setup. After you set up the iPhone, you can tap Settings, tap General, tap About, tap iOS version. Now the iOS version is 17.0. Method 2, download and install iOS 17 beta with a developer account. First of all, you should download and install the developer app on your iPhone. Then open it and tap Account. Tap Sign In. Tap the Apple ID account which is used in your iPhone. When it shows your name in the account screen, you can return to the home screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. Now you can see the Beta Updates section. Tap Beta Updates. Choose iOS 17 Developer Beta. Tap the back icon. OK, you can see the iOS 17 newest beta appears. Tap Download and install. Enter the screen passcode. Then the iOS version will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone automatically. You just need to wait patiently. After the iPhone restarts, you can see a software update message on the lock screen to tell you that your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.0. You can unlock the screen and check the iOS version in Settings. Method 3. Join in Apple Beta software program to get iOS 17. Tap Safari, go to beta.apple.com. Go down and tap Sign Up option. Tap Continue with passcode. Enter the passcode. Go down and tap Enroll your iOS device. Then go down and tap Open Beta Updates. Choose iOS 17 Public Beta. Tap the back icon. Tap Download and Install. Enter the passcode. Then the updating process begins. Just let it run automatically. In the end, you can see a software update notification on the iPhone lock screen. You can unlock it and then check the iOS version. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap About. Tap iOS version. Now the iOS version is 17.0. That's all. Thanks for watching and we will see you guys in the next video.